Oh, happy birthday, Adriana Estela. Look at this paella. Oh, we have fidua. Adriana's favorite food. Look at that. And paella. Parang Jing's not here. We have bread. Lots of bread. Look at that.
Nadia.
And that's Pharrell. Hola Nadia.
Hi.
Happy birthday Estela. Happy birthday Adriana. Ah, there's Bertita. Hello Birdie.
Hello.
Happy birthday to Adriana Estela. Look at all that.
Sí, ya se lo he dicho. Be careful with the bones.
The bones.
Mucho cuidadito. Es muy peligroso.
Abuelo is over there. Hi King. Happy birthday to Estela Adriana. Hello Pharrell. Happy birthday. And we have salad as well. Hello Siri. Happy birthday to Adriana Estela.
Happy birthday, Adriana Estela.
Oh, fidua. I think Adriana, it will be my favorite food next. Where is Adriana and Estela? There she is. Happy 8th birthday, Adriana. Happy 8th birthday. Whoa. Favorite? Not favorite, Adriana. You don't like it? Yes. Go and eat it. Mom, yum, yum. Estelita, big bite for your 8th birthday. I saw that.
No.
Huh? So nice. Oh, take it. Oh, go on, Estelita. Hi, Gentle.
I'll finish it.
Gentle's got paella. Hello, Lake. Happy birthday to Estela Adriana.
Happy birthday.
Oh, look, we're all having a barbecue. We're just waiting for Enrique. We still have sardinas de patatas. Yes, sardinas de patatas by Abuelo. Look. Sardinas. Yes, look at that. Capitan Chef over there. Yes. Okay, go on. We're all gonna share the barbecue. Oh, bro, loves that. Hey, bro. Oh, David's there. What's up, David? Hello, hola.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Adriana, from Uncle David.
Esto sobra aquí, ¿no? Esto es para comer ahora.
Okay, go on. Let's eat. Apples and bananas. Woo! Look at this. Whoosh. Whoosh. Barbecue phone, if I put it closer. Go on, let's eat. Paring Jean, come on. We're waiting for Daddy. Adriana, you wait for Daddy. Go on, eat. On a lovely day, look at that. Blue skies. And everyone's having a Barbie. Okay, go on, eat. Okay, I think it's time to eat. What do you think? I should have a bit of the mackerel. Yeah. Huh? Anything you want, go on.
Ya no sé, ya perdió la cuenta.
Ah, te lo hemos robado.